감사합니다 for helping me and please continue watching my non-Korean streams too. 내일입니다. 내일 배웁니다. 내일 배웁니다. Tomorrow I learn how to read the clock in Korean. It seems at least my teacher warned me about it. Crony can teach you that. No, I paid for my lessons. So I want to get taught by my teacher. Going to read Crony Korean. Yeah, exactly. I did like kind of teach, tell her roughly like, hey, I'm so far now. I can do this and that and this and that. Yo, sheesh. You're so far. I need to impress her more. 고양이. You came a long way since asking for milk, right? I don't think I even remember anything from the stream where Crony was teaching me. I think 우유 주세요. I went in there already knowing that. She taught me like some pickup line, right? 라면 못 갈래? 못 갈래 was like want to eat? Question mark. 고양이 없어요. 고양이 there is no cat.
어머, 너 벌써 영상 다 본 거야? 오늘 준비한 영상도 재밌었지? 여기 이 영상이랑 이 영상도 보고 가. 구독이랑 좋아요도 꼭 눌러주고, 알지?